statement.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For me, isa sa pinaka may mahalagang trabaho sa ating gobyerno at pinakamahirap ay ang pagiging isang social worker dahil sila po yung tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng mga nating kababayan at they have to do that every day at very stressful yung kanilang trabaho. Gusto ko lang po i-follow up yung last year na budget hearing ay nirecommend ko na sana yung libo-libo mga contract of service and job order na nagtatrabaho na dumami pa, umabot na sa 15,000 of them and some of them nag-work na dyan ng 15 years above hanggang ngayon ay contractual pa rin at wala pa rin benepisyo. So I need to know kung yan ay natugunan na dahil kawawa naman sila. Tagal na nila nagpapaka-alila halos sa DSWD and yet hindi pa nila alam yung kanilang future dyan until the time they retire. So yun yung very important to me and I need to know kung ano ng status nila. And pangalawa, I think I was always also here tungkol dun sa service vehicle, kung meron bang service vehicle provided kasi every time na magbibigay ng AX, yung ating mga DSWD, nagta-tricycle lang, balita ko, nag-jeep o nag-grab, dapat may sariling sasakyan ang mga social worker to protect them. And pangatlo, kung meron ba silang mga opisina when they go to different places para mag-distribute ng ayuda, nababalitaan ko, some of them ay nakikiopisina lang sa iba't ibang sakay nating pamalaan. Dapat merong opisina na they are safe at na hindi sila ma-harass at protektado sila because maganda yung kanilang opisina na kinalalagyan na kung saan bago sila mag-distribute ng mga ayuda, they are there. Na sure at sure yung kanilang kalalagyan. And lastly, gusto ko na i-follow up yung pong pagbibigay ng guarantee letter sa mga pupunta ng mga may hirap na kababayan kasi may mga balita na inaabot ng days kung pabalik-balik sila sa pamasahe pa lang lugi sila kung yung guarantee letter ibibigay 3,000-5,000 lamang sayang naman. Those are the things that I need to follow up lang, Madam Chair, and then I have some few questions later on. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Yes, thank you very much, Senator Tulfo. We acknowledge also and recognize the presence of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Do you have an opening statement? Okay. And I think Senator Tolentino would like to make a question.
Isa lang, Madam Chair. Secretary, you mentioned something about lawa, pero hindi niyo nabigay yung breakdown